Hello everyone, today I will be doing writing section because according to the schedule of TOEFL which I have made, today is the turn for the writing section. I will be doing some writing practice. That practice will be together like integrated task and the independent task. I will be doing in one go because in actual test I have to do both of the things in one go without any gap, so it is really important to maintain the time. Mostly for the integrated task, 20 minutes are given for the typing purpose, and before that they will be providing you with the passage which you have to read in 3 minutes, and later on they'll give a listening audio which be also 2 to 3 minutes long. You have to integrate both of the tasks and then provide a report in that integrated typing task. Later on in independent task, as I have explained yesterday, that there will be certain kind of question which will be given to you. Mostly it's an agree disagree types, and later on you have to type it out in 30 minutes. So it is very important that your typing speed is really good. So just practice about your typing speed. I am also doing it. I'm also sometimes I have to take 5 to 10 minutes extra just to correct my errors because of the delay of my typing speed. But I have started to write down simple diary kind of essays to increase my typing speed. If you want, you can write passages, blogs, or anything which keeps you going and interested for the practice of writing. So it is very important that you do the typing and improve it. Let's go. Let's see how it goes. Come. Yeah, there is another tip. You should always type your essay on a Word pad, not a Microsoft Word Office, because Microsoft Office will be correcting your mistakes. For example, putting a capital letter after every full stop, or will be correcting some spaces, etc. And there will be a lot more. Sometimes it also indicate you about the grammar and everything. So if you are able to cancel out all those features, then it's good. But if not, because I am not much aware about that, if not, just use WordPad, it will be best. It will not be providing you any feature for the correction. It will be as it is, and you will be having to do everything on your own, and also in those time frame which is given to you. After the test, just cut, copy, paste your whole passage or essay into that Word document, and you can easily check it that what are the mistakes of the spaces and the capital letter or the commas or any grammar or spelling mistake you have done. So this is really important tip. It has worked for me in improving a lot of things. So let's see how it goes. I will try to attach a PDF of my writing tasks along with it if it is possible. And if you are interested in knowing more about that INBD stuff which I am preparing side by side, then you can subscribe to my another channel. I'll attach the link with it, and also can follow me on Instagram where I do update about the notes and the study which I am going to do about or the topic which I am going to refer for the INBDE study. So see you. In integrated writing task, as I have told you earlier, there will be two types of things which will be provided. First one is the reading passage and the second one is the listening passage. So during the reading of a passage, you will get 3 minutes. In these 3 minutes, the passage of about 4 paragraphs you have to complete and have to note down the important points. Mostly there are 4 paragraphs, it may be 5 paragraphs, but the important points are between 4 to 5. So just note down the important headings or any examples which are given to you in a separate note box. Now during the test, most of the time they will tell you, if you are taking it from the home, to have a whiteboard and a marker so that you can easily write it down and erase the stuff you have written. But right now I am using this copy itself and pen. So you have to write down the reading points, and after that reading passage they will provide you listening audio. Then during that audio, mostly the counterpoints will be provided to you. Audio is mostly in contradiction to this particular reading passage. It is really rare that they will provide any supportive audio. Mostly it is contradictory. They will be providing the solution to the problems, or they will be contradicting the views of this reading passage directly. So just write down the contradictory points in front of each point which is given in the reading. Mostly the reading passage is always the reading passage will be at your screen for the whole 20 minutes if you want to refer it again. So don't worry if you miss out anything from the reading passage to note while noting down. But it is very important to note down every important point from the listening part, so that you can, because it is not repeated. So it is very important. So this was the basic idea of the integrated task. Now I will be doing one integrated task, and later on we'll try to do the independent task. Hello everyone, I have completed the integrated task and I have taken 2.5 minutes more or extra to complete this task. I have to really work on my typing speed. I'll just head towards the independent task. So see you in the next video with something else, and I will be attaching certain tips and notes regarding your practice in the description box below, so check that out as well. So good night for this video, and see you later on with something more interesting and another part in which I most probably will be doing reading and the listening practice. Check the description box for more information. It will be really helpful for you. I will be attaching my Instagram handle and also another account which consists of INBDE related videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day or have a good night.